It's a warning to them because the world that they are aware of what is really happening in Nigeria. Nigeria country is just like an animal kingdom, animal farm. They don't care for humanity. And world leaders, the other side of the world, they care for their citizens. In Nigeria, people die like fowl every day. People die like goat every day. Massacring human being every day. See what happened for Kaduna last 3 weeks. See what happened to Ebonyi State. And see what happened to every day. Okay, now the Southwest now they have now take it and make a meeting. You know, yesterday because of the insanity is getting out of hand. Let us be frank with ourselves. The whole world is watching. That's why I don't believe that they won't give any visa to any government official because they never sit down and do what is needful with their citizens. That's why they are collecting shame upon shame, embarrassment upon embarrassment every day because the truth is not told.
Ban Nigerian politicians for the evil they've done to Nigerians. What is your take as regards?
See, God bless you. First of all, afternoon, morning to our viewers, because what is really happening now is a welcome development. When you see the atrocity the Nigerian government have committed is even out of the road. See what is happening. I say to the extent that a chief of army start denying a visa to a country. So the whole world is ridiculous of Nigeria because Nigeria there is no anything fundamental human right for you and I. They brutalize this. They deal with us like we are animal in this platform of the whole world, and the whole world is watching. See what is happening now is a welcome development because Nigerian military they are not up to the task. See, as a military man, you have to defend the territory of your nation. But now we are here. We are seeing invasion to the extent that they will not be bombing Nigeria in the name of mistakenly looking for Boko Haram at the end. How many villages don't bomb? How many villages Nigeria army don't bomb? Fundamental human rights disobey. Now international court of justice are even against our military. See, how would they be giving visa? They are not supposed to be even giving visa. It's a shame to them. Where are they going for? What are they going to look for Canada? See, I will like world leaders, somebody like Donald Trump. But when Donald Trump now come, now the whole world is now silent because everybody now taking care of his own environment. See, I will let somebody like Donald Trump, Putin, Benjamin Netanyahu, all those world leaders to make a language sanction, ban Nigeria politicians to go anywhere. So when they resident here, all their looting will not go to anywhere. So they will mastermind it here, they will spend it here. So we give a welcome development to that knowledge. Because Nigeria, we are Nigeria, but we are not experiencing what they call democracy. Democracy is a government by the people, for the people, and for the people. Now see what is happening. Then a security advisor in the name of Tinubu telling a whole Canada to go to hell. Is that a statement from a mouth of a security advisor to a nation, giant of Africa, the most populous black nation on earth? That is that they are trying to tell you that
Canada will feel.
You see that statement is very polluted and negative statement from the mouth of a security advisor to a nation. Now you now see that they are nowhere to be found because they just arrange, they select themselves and they put themselves in the corridor of power. They don't even know how to manage international relationship. See what you are coming out of a security advisor. They can't affect other Nigerians. It will affect millions of Nigeria and Canada in the whole world. See what is happening. You brutalize Nigeria in the name of Boko Haram. Boko Haram have been there for how many long? The army, they budgeted the highest budget, billions of dollars to fight Boko Haram. How many years ago? Today, tomorrow. There is no ending. Now you want to wake up. I want to go to Canada. I want to go and sit down with you. You think Canada is Nigeria? Canada, they are law-abiding citizens. They respect the rule of law. No matter who you are, they respect humanity. Nigeria doesn't respect anybody. So it's a very welcome development. And the whole world is watching. They are watching Nigeria. See Jagaba. Jagaba is the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria because the people that he assumed, they surrender him. They are not for you and I. They are for their own pocket. That's why I see embarrassment all the time. Sit down. Do the needful. Every day you'll be hearing killing. And they can't solve it. They are running to where? Running to Canada. To go and tell them negative story that is not happening. And they know what is happening. Your visa must be denied. They're supposed to even deny the president's visa one day. Because the handwriting now is on the wall. Our voice is louder than them because they are not for us. They are never for us 1 day or 2 days. They are for their pocket. Can you imagine somebody like Nuru, a former EFCC chairman, telling people to go to hell, a whole nation, recognize this. Don't you know that Canada and United States of America, they have alliance together? It's like indirectly you are insulting Donald Trump. And when Donald Trump now roar now, you say somebody don't roar. You have to see, it's affecting Nigeria generally because you speak meaningful, don't speak meaningless. Nigeria government is meaningless. That's what we are seeing here. See what we are experiencing here. What are they going to do there when the house is not in order? So let the capacity of government, let it stay, and let us see the dividend of democracy. But there is nothing like dividend of democracy in our whole society here. It's all about suffering and smiling. Going to Canada, no visa, you say go to hell. Where are you going to go? You don't know how to manufacture ammunition. At the end of the day, insecurity increases all the time. So in the other side, when you say this lady that's now the head of that is up in the name of Samepa. You see that lady language, so they show you.
Okay, but so why do you not think the Canadian government denied CJS Musa and the other? I mean, why do you think that? Is it that they are fully aware that the insecurity in Nigeria is nothing to write home about, and do you think that they are not happy with what, you know? Even last year we saw when, you know, one Amaka Sonbega, one Igbo lady was, you know, when she said she was angry that the way they are killing the Igbos in Nigeria, that she has the opportunity, she will poison the Benin people and the Yoruba people because of the way they are treating Igbo. Do you think that with that issue, and at the same time, do you think that because you know that the insecurity in Nigeria is nothing to write, the security in Nigeria is nothing to write about, that's why they want to they are taking action against Nigeria and their politicians?
See, God will bless you for that. That is part of the language we are talking about, the insecurity in Nigeria. See, Nigeria is a three home. But that three home neglect one side. And the other two, one Yoruba and Hausa, they now combine together to rule all of us by force. At the end of the day, they are subjected to insecurity, brutality, you understand, tribalistic. See what they are doing. You see, there is a case, International Court of Justice, and the side Nigeria military of killing innocent people illegally. And they are nowhere the Nigeria military were one day say they should go, okay, let us go and appear and spoke our whole out of the situation. They all ignore everything because they feel that nobody is concerned. They are above the law. They don't know that those side of the world, there is nobody that is above the law. So Nigeria have to come together. See, it's a warning. It's a warning to them. It's called the warning that they are aware of what is really happening in Nigeria. Nigeria country is just like an animal kingdom, animal farm. They don't care for humanity. And world leader, the other side of the world, they care for their citizens. In Nigeria, people die like fowl every day. People die like goat every day. Massacring human being every day. See what happened for Kaduna last 3 weeks. See what happened to Ebonyi State. And see what happened to every day. Okay, now the Southwest now, they have now taken it and make a meeting. You know, yesterday because of the insanity, it's getting out of hand. Let us be frank with ourselves. The whole world is watching. That's why I don't believe that they won't give any visa to any government official, because they never sit down and do what is needful with their citizens. That's why they are collecting shame upon shame, embarrassment upon embarrassment every day, because the truth is not told. And when the truth is told, there will be positive and there will be peace. But when that one is now swept under the carpet, where are we going? We go nowhere. So Canada is one of the Commonwealth country that they civilize well on the welfare of their people, their citizens. But Nigeria doesn't care about their citizens. They care all about their pockets. How many of them are there? Somebody like Tinubu is telling people to go to hell. This is a statement supposed to have resigned his duty if it's a really country, because that statement is damaging to the nation as a whole. And it's very bad from that statement. You are now involving innocent Nigeria. Anyhow, because somebody that is now sitting somewhere is working illegally, but your statement now from your government will now involve innocent people living in Canada. Can you accommodate one person? No, but now bring unnecessary statement. That's why we tell you that their days are numbered. Reality, the government, their days are numbered. Because they are not with us at all.
But with this now, we've seen that the international community, you know, already, you know, on notice as regards what is happening in Nigeria, and at the same time, we've seen Australia, you know, last year commented that their citizens should be mindful of coming to Nigeria because of the insecurity. And at the same time, we will be surprised if Canada even deny President Tinubu visa.
See, there is nothing that is impossible, because when you say denying can be possible, because when your nation is not well protected, by your security. Every day you kill them like fowl, and you have no explanation. And you want to come to a nation that is legalized. They are maybe denying a visa because you see the body language of the president. He doesn't even know what is happening. He doesn't even come outside and say, let my people be free. Nothing like that. All you see that he will go to France, go to London. Every day, medical checkup, underground. You know where, you know, we tell the whole world, say, you know where, make we pack aside, make the really people who Nigeria. 1 year plus, Nigeria don't scatter, it don't jaga. Where are we going from here? And I thank God Nigeria eye don't open. Their days are numbered. I'm telling you the reality, truth. Their days are numbered. Not like, no buy on the days when we say when they reach election, they will not share this one, share this one, share this one. Everybody don't open and say, no matter they share 100 million for you, they will still punish you to the highest. That's why we now, our eye is not open because our eye don't open. We can't tolerate it anymore. No matter if they do by force we follow them. Because Nigeria don't tire of the insecurity, injustice, poverty, everything. Only Nigeria did this planet. But Nigeria was blessed with everything that God has to give a nation. But the leaders, I can say they are evil. They are evil. They don't care. Chief of Army Staff, Chief of Defense Staff, Chief of Air Force. What is your rank? What is your duty? Your duty is to stay in Asoro, stay in Abuja, stay in Asokoro, live life where the citizens are suffering. It's a zero. It's a zero. You see, we are coupling them, we are compiling all their atrocity. And the whole world is watching. One day the whole world will say Nigeria is out of this. That is out of this. Then they will know where to be found.
Yes, again, dear friends, good morning to you all from here. There's this news that has been circulating by Ogenkere and his cohort that they will be sit at home on Thursday and on Friday, who said to be 13th and 14th. And I want you people to disregard that information. It is not true. What Ogenkere and his cohorts are doing is just to know if the Biafrans are behind him, and because they have lost their relevancy and they are trying to be relevant when they are not. And trust me, the government of United States has taken these acts legally. So Ogenkere and the rest of his people will be taken legally because of this deceit.
Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome to Global Love Channel TV, where we bring you the latest happening around the globe. Yes, we told you guys that this 2025 we are in is going to be very hot. For those who say they will not be, they must agree by force. Yes, please, my people, come and watch this video. As I watch about to watch video, please do well and watch the video to the very end of it. Yes, as you are watching, spread this video, share it for all over the world. Share this video so that other people will see it. Yes, as you are watching, don't forget to touch your hand for subscribe button, like and spread this message around the globe. Don't forget to touch your hand for notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Yes, oh yeah, let's go in there and watch it unfold. Don't go anywhere. Let's watch it.
They have been deceiving our people, Biafrans. And secondly, Ogenkere wrote a letter to Finnish authority begging the Finland that they should forgive our prime minister. The reason why he did that is to indict our prime minister the more, because Ogenkere was paid by the Nigerian terrorist government to set our prime minister up. In my other videos, I have explained that to you. So now, the information that we have about the Biafran prime minister, who was set to be released some days ago, yes, that the Nigerian government brought allegations and allegations, and the Finnish authority are taking their time to go through all the documentation that was sent by the Nigerian terrorist government, so that when Mazi Simon Ekpa the dragon himself, comes out and starts revenging on what the Nigerian government did to him, nobody should call Finland again. So Finland is on the right track, doing whatever they know how to do to clear their name internationally and to prove to Nigeria that they are terrorists. Indeed, that's what they are doing. Again, we are telling the governor of Anambra State, stop what you are doing. If you cannot provide the schools, the job availabilities and opportunities that you have given to the youth of Anambrarians, you should stop what you are doing by going after the native doctors, going after these people and breaking down their houses, taking them to prison because they have done nothing wrong. If there is any native doctor in the whole of the Southeast that has committed any crime of murder, you can get that person arrested and deal with him decisively. But stop intimidating and insulting all these traditional worshippers. Because we have told you that since you cannot prove the employment that you have given to our people, the industries that you have built for them to work, do not, and I repeat, do not threaten our people again. And Soludo, let me tell you one thing you need to understand, that you are now an illegitimate governor. Just days are counting down. You know that we gave you people 60 days to vacate your offices. So you stand up to tomorrow as an illegitimate governor of Anambra State, including Hope Uzodinma. The 5 governors in the Southeast, all of you are illegitimate. 60 days and we are counting down. The next coming days will be very brutal, rough in the whole of the Southeast. And I want to specifically tell the Nigerian terrorist governments that if they don't release Nnamdi Kanu, hell will break loose in Nigeria very soon, because we have done it legally. You people want to change the law when it comes to Nnamdi Kanu. What more Nigerians can we tell you people? What more Biafrans can we tell you people? That a man that did not pass through the 4 walls of law school is quoting the law for the Nigerian judiciary. A man that didn't go through the 4 walls of law school or in anywhere studied law is quoting Nigerian law to them. Bintanyako does not know the law. The federal government lawyer does not know the law. And Nnamdi Kanu said, and this is what we're standing on, that the laws of Nigeria is a shrine to injustice and it can never be subjected to it. Any one of you to tell me if there is anybody in Nigeria that can speak the way Nnamdi Kanu spoke on the 10th of this month, February, challenging the judiciary because they are all corrupt. Tinubu is a corrupt man. Want to jail my leader, Nnamdi Kanu. And I want to remind the drug lord, Tinubu, the certificate forger, the man that the daughter is older than. I want to remind you one thing, that you can never jail Nnamdi Kanu, not on this earth. You can never jail Nnamdi Kanu, not on this planet earth. Tinubu, you can never jail Nnamdi Kanu. If Nnamdi Kanu goes to jail for no reason, we will burn Nigeria to the ground. Because we have given you time. We have given the Nigerian terrorist government opportunity to try Nnamdi Kanu. And all what this man did was to destroy the Nigerian judiciary with the truth. And they are now changing the laws that concerning him. We can no longer stand and watch this evil happen before us. If you do not release Nnamdi Kanu, we are saying it openly that Nigeria will be a child's play in the nearest future. We are tired of your shenanigans. We are sick and tired of your manipulations. Igbos are human beings. You cannot continue to subject us to all manner of intimidation in Nigeria. That can never happen again. You kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya, brought him to Nigeria to try him on treasonable and whatever charges you brought up against him. This man defeated you in your court, yet you refused to allow him to go. A man that is telling the Attorney of Federation what their law is, the Chief Justice of Federation what their own law is, quoting the laws of Nigeria to them. What more can you ask of that country? The country is completely gone. You do not have a right. And I repeat, you do not have that right to jail Namdi Kanu. And this is where we stand. All Biafrans are standing in this very ground to tell you that you don't have the right. You are a thief, Tinubu. You are a criminal, a kleptomaniac. This is who Tinubu is. A drug carrier, a certificate forger. You forfeited $150,000 for restitution in America for your drug trafficking. Just recently, this drug lord, Tinubu, had a deal with the former president of United States, Joe Biden, that if he releases the American guy that was arrested for fraud in Nigeria, that Joe Biden should clear his name from their record as a wanted person. And today, that news is on the public domain. Tinubu is one of the most corrupt human beings in the world. Very corrupt. And this is why we said Nigeria can never work. It is either Biafra or nothing. It is either Biafra or our blood. And but it's going to be Biafrans. We have told you to remove your terrorist army from the whole of the southeast. We have told you to remove your armies, your banks, whatever you have that is Nigeria in the southeast. We have told you to remove all of that. The reason why I'm jumping is because I need to touch so many things at the same time. We have told you to remove all your banks, all your businesses in the whole of the southeast.